the choice between MTech in India and MS outside India. So what would you suggest about that?
Well, I think MTech in India is also a very good option, especially if you do an IIT MTech, definitely a very good option. But I would suggest if you do MTech in India, definitely try to do a PhD abroad, because it definitely gives you some more research experience, which I have some friends from my batch who have done MTech in India, and some of them have come here for PhD now. That's why I'm kind of telling you about that option. But one advantage which I think maybe studying in US has is giving you an exposure to more opportunities than you might get through MTech. But MTech also has a lot of opportunities where you can go abroad for 1 semester or do a project abroad. So if you can take, if you can use those opportunities, well and good. But I agree, like I would say that MTech is also a good degree. I'm not sure about the type of research opportunities or project opportunities that are available through all the MTech programs. So they might be limited. It depends on the university also from where you do MTech.